Hi everyone, this is Julie Reinhart and I'm going to teach you how to how to create a Google group. First of all, you have to go to groups.google.com in order to get to this page right here. And once you're at this page, you're able to create a group. So the very first thing that you're going to need to do once you're on this page is you're going to come up here to create a group. You click on it. And when you get there, you have to decide what your group name's going to be. So I'm making a demo. So I'm going to say Technology Teachers at Mass. From there, the group email address is right here. It makes it for you, so you don't even have to do that. And then my group description will be teachers that teach technology. Then it's very important that you come down to the settings and the permissions. And with the settings and permissions, the very first thing, our primary language is English, but if yours is something else, you would click it. So I'm going to stay with English. I need to decide what kind of group type it's going to be, and it's going to be an email list. If you don't want it to be an email list, you click on it and you can change it to what you want, but mine's going to be an email list because that's what I'm going to use it for. And then I have to decide, do I want all my members of the group to be able to organize what's going on, to be able to set topics and things like that. If I want, I can have managers of the group, all members of the group, or I'm going to keep it just like that. Because everybody that I have in here, I want to be able them to do what I'm doing. Post, the same thing. If you want to be something different, you go ahead and click it, but I'm going to keep mine the same because I only want people that are in my group to do these things. And then select who can join the group. I want anyone in my organization, or I can, if I only want some people to be invited, I would, only click that. But I'm going to do anyone in my organization. Once I do that, I come up to the create button. I click create. And it's creating it for me. And then here it says, congratulations, your Google group has been created. So the very next thing I'm going to do is invite people to join the group. So, and if you can see down here, Technology Teachers at Massillon, it's saying that I created that group. So now here, I'm going to type in who I want to invite. So since Lindsay Meismer is a technology person, I'm going to put her in there, and Alice Johnston, since she is, I'm going to put her in there. And there's only 3 of us, and since I created the group, I do not need to put my name on there. And I'm going to say, hello, everyone. Welcome to technology. And that's just going to just tell them what this group's about. And then from here, I come up and I push send invites. So from here, that's sending my invites to Lindsay and to Alice. So an invitation was sent to 2 people, and I'm going to show it. And those are the 2 people that I have sent my invitation with. And then I'm going to push done. And then here it just shows what I have in my technology teachers. I can manage it. I can have members, whatever you want to do with it. So right here it says that I'm the owner, and I can add people. I can go to my settings. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. And that is basically all you need to know about creating a Google group. I hope that you enjoyed it and have a great day.